kwenzakalani manje kuMadlomo kanye ke noMthunzi? Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on ETV Scandal from the 10th to the 14th of November 2025 on Monday. A prison visit reveal a key piece of puzzle to tapes. Ntuthuko's rage erupt again with consequences no one saw coming. Thoriso grows increasingly uneasy about Buyi's holdover poet on Tuesday. A fatal gunshot in moments away, but a call changes everything. Ntuthuko confronted the chilling possibility of repeating his father's past mistakes. A man finds himself in an uncomfortable spotlight on Wednesday. Mdala edges closer to uncovering the mastermind behind the police investigation. Old wounds open for Ntuthuko. Thoriso reaches her breaking point on Thursday. Two cousins, one desperately and a refusal that changes everything. Ntuthuko is pulled back from the brink and unlikely bond is forged. Poet and Thoriso truths hide deeper cracks on Friday. A man's attempt to flee his mistakes ends in a dangerous collision. Madlomo makes or takes a step she's never imagined herself taking ever again. A date mix-up sparks Buyi's wrath and poet sees it firsthand. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.